There is a genetic link between the red earlobes and the color of the eggs. The Araucana and Americana chicken species lay green or blue eggs. The smallest bird's egg comes from the hummingbird. Female birds generally increase their reproductive activity depending on the environmental changes to prepare for egg laying and taking care of their chicks. After laying their eggs, the baby birds mature and hatch out of the shells. Birds create nests to incubate their eggs and take care of their chicks. 4. We can find birds all over the continents of the world. With thousands of bird species, birds are the only creatures that we can find in every continent of the globe across South America, North America, Africa, and so on. Birds can occupy different environments. 5. Birds flock together to protect themselves. Flock birds. A group of birds is called a flock. Birds in a flock belong to the same species and move together in a coordinated fashion. Flocking has various benefits for different species. It helps to protect most species against predators. Flocking helps them stay alert, as they can all look in different directions. For other species like the geese, flocking provides additional benefits. The V formation of the geese helps them reduce flying energy. When the bird in front flaps its wings, the bird at the back benefits from it, feeling the impact of the air.